8304. The twist of a connecting rod is checked by installing push-fit arbors in both ends, supported by parallel steel bars on a surface plate. Measurements are taken between the arbor and the parallel bar with A. Dial gauge, B. Height gauge, C. Thickness gauge. The correct answer is C. By inserting a thickness gauge between the ends of the arbors and the parallel bars, connecting rod twist can be measured. 8306. What may be used to check the stem on a poppet-type valve for stretch? A. Dial indicator, B. Micrometer, C. Telescoping gauge. The correct answer is B. By measuring the stem diameter in the stem center and at the spring end with a vernier micrometer caliper, the stretch of a poppet valve stem can be determined. The valve stem has been stretched if the center diameter is smaller than the diameter at the spring end. 8307. Which tool can be used to determine piston pinout of round wear? A. Telescopic gauge, B. Micrometer caliper, C. Dial indicator. The correct answer is B. Measure the pin's ends at right angles to one another in two different directions. The amount the pin is out of round is indicated by the difference between the two readings. B. Ground operation and servicing a Gerner micrometer caliper can be used to measure piston pin out of roundness.